Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You know it's your girl talking when you see her like this all hyped up. It's your girl Jennifer. Okay. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are keeping safe, For a minute, sometimes, I don't feel like filming. Other times, yes, I want to do everything. So here we are. I really did not know if I wanted to do any Halloween looks this year. But girl, I am here now, so come and join me. Let's transform this face. For a start, we're gonna start with something simple, maybe easy score look. Who knows? We don't know, but if you're new here and if this is your first time of coming across my channel, you are welcome. Like, this is the real deal. This channel, we do reviews, we do makeup tutorial, we transform ourselves, we do sometimes do fashion, lifestyle, depending on our feelings, depending on our mood. Okay, so for today's look, I am gonna be transforming myself into, I don't know, we're gonna be looking Halloween-ish. Okay, we're gonna go something basic, something simple. We're just gonna work with eyeshadows. Yeah, we're gonna play with eyeshadows, like literally. Wherever this look takes us to, just relax and watch with me, alright? Using this dark shade from the Juvia's Place. I hate that shade. And let me get a brush. This shade here. And some of this shade from this palette. Probably we're gonna use like this dark shade, whatever shade it comes up to, we're gonna use it. So we got this here because I was trying to do Instagram reels, but I'm doing my tutorial. I'm just gonna be watching some movie from Netflix. Okay, don't mind me, alright. So I'm just need to blend that yellow out now. I don't really know what I'm doing, guys. Don't know. I didn't plan these. I didn't plan what I want to do. So, yeah. see how about this? Is it scary enough? This is simplest of simplest Halloween look. Okay, just I'm gonna call it an easy basic Halloween startup look. Line up, highlight it, contour it. You have this. I don't know what it's called, but it's simple. Anyway guys, this is the finished look to our trying to be Halloween look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I helped you out in any way. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to leave your comment below. I want to know what you think. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do before you go, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like slap a like, and share this video. Click on that notification bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload any video. And until then, I will see you in my next video. Peace.